My school. My school is a place where I go every day to learn new things. It is located near my house. The school building is big and has many classrooms a library and a playground. Our teachers are kind and helpful. They teach us subjects like math, science, English, and Urdu. We also learn about our culture and celebrate many festivals together. In the morning, we start with prayer and national anthem. During break time, we play games and eat snacks with friends. My school organizes events like sport days and cultural programs. I like my school because it helps me grow and make good friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.